Hello and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how you can make an image go over two different sections in Squarespace, like I have it on my own website right here. So let's get over to Squarespace and get this done. So the first thing we need to do is to add the image, which we want to go over the two different sections. So let's do that. Let's browse this image. I like the look of this. Make it a little bit wider like that. Also fill it. So what we have to do now in order to make that blend with this section is we come into the section and we take this off, the fill screen option, so we can make this a little bit bigger. And then we have to add a block, and this will then be a shape block of the same color as the section below. Then we just drag that full screen out, take the image in front, and then we have achieved an image that goes over two different sections in Squarespace. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe. If you want to hire me to build your Squarespace websites, the links are now in the description. And as always, have a wonderful day.